listen to my story about mad cow disease.
Okay, now, mad cow disease is not some horror story. Unfortunately, it's also not Doja Cat's banger of a song. What it actually is a crazy brain disorder that can spread from cows to humans. Sounds crazy, but I can tell you how. You guys all know the typical ways of getting sick. Catch a virus or a bacteria, you have a test at school and you really don't want to go in. But mad cow disease, or bovine spongiform encephalitis, is caused by prions. But what the heck are prions?
Something horrible, dangerous, and outright terrifying.
Well, in some cases, maybe. But here to calmly explain what prions are is incredible research scientist Beatriz.
Yes, friends. Well, to understand prions, we may need a little more information on proteins. Proteins are very important and have very specific and strong structures. They consist of long chains of amino acids, which form the primary structure of a protein. Proteins have 4 different levels of structure: primary, secondary, tertiary, and quaternary. The primary chains of amino acids form secondary structures of alpha helices or beta plates. These helices and shapes assemble form hydrogen bonds and hydrophobic interactions. These then further fold and can interact with other folded chains of amino acids to form a final 3-dimensional, fully functioning protein. Now, in regards to prion proteins, they are most numerous in the brain. They are proteins that misfold and can trigger normal brain proteins to fold abnormally. Needless to say, this was disastrous as the very function of protein relies on the proper folding.
To the food of cows all the way up in England. And then the cows went mad. And then the people who ate them went mad.
Well, I mean, it's probably not the first time someone's gone crazy over a piece of steak.
The cows did not exactly go crazy. They were suffering from a neurodegenerative disorder that affected their brain and spinal cord. Basically, the misfolded proteins the cows ate caused the proteins in their brain to misfold and led to brain damage. A variant of this disease, called variant Creutzfeldt-Jakob disease, not to be confused with Creutzfeldt-Jakob disease, was passed on to humans.
See? Horrifying! VCJD will cause pain, mood swings, memory loss, and eventually lead to death. It has even carried on in the late hours of the night. You can still hear the mad cows going moo.
Actually, according to the CDC, there have only been 231 cases reported worldwide, and this is because of the many policies that changed to keep cows and humans healthy.
On March 27, 1996, the EU imposed a worldwide ban of exports of British beef. The ban lasted 10 years before being lifted in 2006. Also in December 1997 to November 1999, the British government banned the sale of beef on the boat. In North America, there were only 26 cases, but they even took precautions and implemented fee bans.
Wait, what? This isn't that scary anymore.
See, guys? Now you can go back to eating your steak in peace.